Thanks for stopping by my channel. This is part 3 in my 5-part series all about setting up your Facebook advertisements for an Amazon business to get maximum bang for your bucks and the most sales possible on Amazon. This is targeting people who are in Australia. But you could be selling anywhere around the world, from Australia to the USA, UK, wherever it may be. The things are the same. If you haven't already checked out videos number 1 and 2, links are in the description below. And while you're here, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to his channel, and that way you'll get parts 4 and 5 too. Now, if you're also interested in starting a business on Amazon and you want to learn how to do that properly, there's a link below to grab a free copy of my best-selling book all about starting a business on Amazon right here in Australia. Now to the video, speak soon, bye. Next, let's talk about placements. Here's where Facebook tries to take your money off of you. So let me show you how to keep money in your pocket. Automatic placements means that Facebook will put your ad in as many different places as possible. Now, you don't want that. You do not want that. Because that's good for Facebook, it's not good for you. So always choose manual placements, i.e. you're going to tell Facebook where to put your stuff. So you've got 4 different platforms here: Facebook itself, the audience network, Instagram, which Facebook owns of course, and Facebook Messenger, which Facebook treats as another separate platform, telling you the importance of that. So whenever I'm doing placements, I always run one placement at a time. So I'm just going to do, if I'm wanting to target somebody, I just say it's only targeting them on Facebook, or only targeting them on Instagram, or I'm only going to target them on Messenger. And the reason you do that is because you want to make sure the information you get back in a week's time is information that's easy to read, usable, and you can make some data-driven decisions about. All right, so Facebook, here we go. And just out of interest, I would imagine Instagram versus Facebook, for our target market, are they more likely to be on Facebook or Instagram? Are they more likely to be on Facebook or Instagram? What do you reckon? Facebook. Yeah, I 100% agree. All right, so here's where we can put our placements on Facebook. These ones right here, look. Facebook news feed, Instagram feed, marketplace, video feeds, blah, blah, blah. Well, we don't have a video. We're not going to do a video, so we can scratch that. That Facebook right column, yeah, maybe that will work. We'll kind of leave that in there. Facebook groups feed, that's not appropriate for what we're trying to do. Facebook marketplace, yeah, we can leave that in there, see if we can get some traction on that. Who knows, maybe yes, maybe no. But it's certainly worth leaving it in there to see, okay? We're going to get rid of stories, not at all. We don't want any of those, thanks very much. We don't want in-stream. Search, I've never been able to make it work. That's probably more a function of my own incompetence than anything else, but I've never been able to make the graph search function on Facebook search. In articles, again, that's not a very effective strategy. So look what we've done. We've targeted, we've gone from our ad being freaking everywhere to only being in 3 places. That's the Facebook newsfeed, Facebook marketplace, and right column. All right, that's the only place we want that stuff to show up. All right. Now, again, you can get more technical by going with different devices, and there's often at times when you can do that, and that works really, really well. We're not going to talk about that right now, though. Budget and schedule. Here is again where Facebook tries to take your money. So we're going to optimize for ad delivery. So there's a few different things you can optimize for with the traffic consideration that we're using. You can optimize for landing page views, link clicks, daily unique reach, and impressions, okay? Landing page views, we cannot track that because we're going to send people directly to this page. So because Amazon will not let us put any tracking code on their website, we cannot track that. Therefore, you'd never ever have landing page views. Link clicks, well, we want people to be clicking on our ads, so that's probably a good place for us to be. Daily unique reach, if I was trying to get my advert in front of as many people as possible, so as many people as possible saw it, I would choose that. And impressions, if I was trying to brand my business, I'd use that. However, what we're trying to do here is make Wolfgang some cash, so we're going to go with link clicks. All right, average cost per link click. So here's a few different ways that Facebook tries to take your cash from you, okay? It's either going to, so first of all it says, what is the average cost per link click that you want to spend? And this is optional to have, okay? So if you set a cost control, what Facebook is ostensibly going to do is going to try and get you as many link clicks as possible within that cost control, within that budget that you set aside. Now, when you first put an advert up on Facebook at this phase, we actually don't want to do any of that. All right. Instead, what we're looking to do is get Facebook to put it in places and test stuff out for us. So we will not put anything into that area there. All right. Budget, you can go like $10, $10 a day for 7 days means our test is going to cost Wolfgang the princely sum of $77, including GST. Okay. We get charged for impressions, but we're going to get optimized for link clicks, so that's kind of cool. We want that. Ad scheduling, that's more advanced stuff. Delivery type, again, that's more advanced stuff. Don't worry about that. Leave the defaults on. Right now, that's A-OK. There is, and interestingly enough, oftentimes you will find you get shoppers at weird times of the day. So one of my products, for instance, is in America in the diet niche, and my bulk of my clicks on my Facebook ads happen after midnight, between midnight and 3 a.m., which I assume is people sitting up eating potato chips and ice cream on their couch whilst they watch episodes of whatever it is on the Gogglebox, okay? So you can set up your ads to run only at those times, and you'll make good sales by doing that. But again, more advanced, let's not focus on that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.